Good morning. This is the place where we heal from IBS naturally. Welcome to my channel, and I am going to discuss about today the step 2, which is commitment. Yesterday we discussed about the step 1, which is acceptance, and healing from IBS starts with step 1, which is acceptance. And congratulations, if you are able to accept IBS in your life, it means that you are at least 5% healed. And I will tell you why. Because acceptance makes miracles happen in your life. Let me tell you a story. Few years back, I was given a very complex assignment in office, and the problem was I wanted to have some free time, but the other people were having free time, and I also wanted to enjoy, but I was given this task because my manager thought that I am more capable, and I was taking it as a burden. So I was trying to resist it in beginning, and once there was no option, then I started complaining. My mind stopped working and it started complaining, why me, why I need to do this task, and I was having lots and lots of ifs and buts, and my mind was not getting focused. For 2-3 days I was not able to focus, and my deadline for completing the task started to approach. And then once I realized this, that I am the person who needs to complete it, then I accepted it, and then I started actually working on that task. And guess what? I was able to complete the task before deadline, and that made me learn so many things which was not possible earlier. So I would say that accepting IBS in life is one of the very important steps which makes free cycles to be generated by the mind, which can be further utilized to heal IBS. Now, coming to the second step, which is commitment. In commitment, stage 2, what we try to do is like we amplify those mind cycles, free mind cycles, which have been generated in step 1. And second step is the most important step. It's because 90 to 95% of people fail in this step only. It's because it pushes people to come out of their comfort zone, and as well as their mind blocks. Yes, mind blocks. Each of us have got some kind of mind blocks which are related to our beliefs, which are related to our culture, which are related to our upbringing, and which are related to also our own way of thinking. So that's why I say that acceptance in step 1 will really help you to become more aware. See, I'm communicating in English because I have the acceptance that something which is universal is really important to accept, to have my message reaching to more people. That's why if you are having IBS, then there might be some better options available in universe which needs to be searched, instead of just focusing on your current way of doing things, which is like taking medicine, going for test, discussing it with on Facebook group with already the people who are having it. So if it has not helped you till now, I'm sure that you yourself cannot help it until unless you make a commitment that you will be ready to with the open mind and do the further required changes. So that requires strong commitment, and that also requires emptying your cup. That is to start learning to unlearn. So that will dissolve ego, that will dissolve the entitlement mindset. So commitment is very important to begin the rest 10% of healing, which is equivalent to now 15% if a person is able to reach and justify what is needed for step 2 commitment. So how to increase the level of commitment when IBS is already making us go black, like in difficult phase or experience very hard times. Some people even have nausea, and some people have complete blackout. Some people are feeling completely energyless. Some people are struggling with their even daily routine. Some people are lying on bed spending time to get better and then again go back to normal work, but again and again they are getting hit by those symptoms. So how to increase your commitment level? So in this process of increasing the commitment level, there are three approaches basically. The first approach is like to that will be most easiest approach, and that is watching inspirational videos. Whenever you are feeling better in IBS, please watch some really good inspirational videos instead of watching videos which are for entertainment, which are for lighter moments. I agree that these videos should be also watched, but also focus on watching motivational videos, because motivational videos are made by the people who are already very high in energy. So if we start doing this, our energy will try to change, will start changing. So this is one of the good approach to start your commitment level to get better. So at least 15 minutes should be spent daily to watch some really good inspirational video. Number second approach is reading books or listening to books. This approach also helps a person to maintain the level of commitment, but here is a catch. Person should be reading at least 3 to 4 books in a month. Then only he will be able to make a change in his energy. Because if he thinks that he is going to read one book in a 1 month or maybe 2 or 3 months, then his energy level is not going to change. Commit yourself to reading 3 to 4 books, maybe online, maybe via hard copy. That will make your energy change. So this is the second approach which is needed for maintaining the level of commitment. Number third approach is to get a mentor in your life. So in this approach,